Hello my friends, my name is Samuel Muhaimana Mutito Nikamoni. I'd like that I try to summarize this module. You have 80 modules. Module 1 is computer essentials. As we can use this as a quick reference, you see that these modules has the some concept to deal with. You will deal with some devices we use in ICT, creation of files, management, networks, and data security. Okay, as you are seeing here. Okay, we have also some objectives. Okay, after completion of these modules, you will be able to understand some concept like ICT, computers, devices, smartphones, and also software. After purchasing a computer, also you will need some software. What are some important software you can install in your computer so that you can run well? Okay, the second, you understand how to start and shut your computer. Also, the third objective or key point, you understand this is a module, how to work with your computer and with your icon, with also Windows. Okay, nkuko mubibona hangaha n'ubundi uzakenera what is operating system. What is operating system? Tumenye definition and how operating system works. Okay, also you understand the creation of simple documents and also to print it out. You will create it inside, also you print it out. Also you understand how to manage, how to control a printer. Uko printer wa installa muri computer yawe. Okay, and also you will understand some more concept. Okay, as you see here, you have some devices as you are seeing on these modules. Also another thing to think is knowing about the main concept. Okay, knowing about the main concept of file management. Okay, as I said above, understanding the storage, how the capacity of your computer, how can you check the capacity of your computer, understand the networks concept, connection, and be able to connect to available networks. Okay, understand the importance of protection of your data. If you're working via online, your data can be attacked. Okay, how to manage yourself when you are using a computer, when you are using the internet. Okay, how you can protect yourself. Even you can know what you call malwares. Okay, and the hacking up and the backing up or backup. Backup, some support you can get when you are online. You can save your data online or on OneDrive or Google Drive. Also recognize the consideration relation on green, IT, and accessibility. Also the health of your computer. These are shortcut. You can memorize them. Okay. Here as some special things you have to understand via these modules. The result to call first one is the computer and the devices. We can say we have some computers and the devices. Okay. ICT, as you know, is using a digital technology access, also storage, process information into organized and understandable form. Okay. In these computer and devices, you understand what is internet services. Internet service niki. Remember, ushobora kugura ibintu kuri internet, ufite kubukinga space to visit, ufite kubukinga ibintu, ibyo byose tubyita online services cyangwa se internet services. Okay, mobile technology, example including the internet and a smartphone, laptops. So dufite icyo bitwita mobile technology ngo na ma devices twebwe tugendana, washobora kugendana. Habamo tablets, hakamo phone, okay, even your laptop. Uzabona icyo twita office productivity applications. So ni application dukenera kugira ngo computer yawe ubashe kwibyaza umusaruro. Urugero, udafitemo office igufasha kwandika ntago byakunda, tuyita word processing. Ntago machine yawe najya bikumariye kuko ntiwashobora kwandikira umuntu. Spreadsheet, you can't also handout or you can't process or spreadsheet. Those spreadsheet izo data ntago wabona uko zihandoringa udafite spreadsheet. Zose tuzita rero cyangwa se presentation software. Iyi niyo twita PowerPoint. Okay, let's us define some terms. Hardware ni bira bikoresho tubonesha amaso. Iyo tuvuze mouse, tukavuga keyboard, tukavuga screen, byose ni ibice bya computer ariko biboneshwa ijisho. Call it hardware. Also computer ifite n'igice twita software. Kiriya gice nyine kigizwe na application, some applications and the softwares. Okay, byo tubyita software. Okay, dufite icyo twita another key points you have to understand here. Nkuko ubibona hano dufite hardware, we have a printer, identifying the many type of integrated and external equipments. Like external equipments, ibyo ni ibice cyangwa se ni devices ugomba gukenera muri ICT, ama printers, screeners, okay, scanners, keyboards, mouse, webcam bira bigufasha nyine kuba wafata amashusho, bira bikamera, microphone, docking stations, those are devices that connect laptop or computer to other devices. Kugira ngo connect computer no kuzindi device uzakena kitune twita ni dock stations. Okay, a little bit dufite kwita online softwares. Ibintu tukoresha biri online, dugira ama software ariko ari online. Those are application or program that perform a specific task. Ukira calculator muri machine kugira ngo ibashe guteranya imibare n'iki ukenera iyo calculator. Iyo calculator install muri computer yawe tuyita ko ari software. It's a calculator but it's software. Okay, that specify or perform a specific task of calculating. Tukajya kwita operating system. It's a control of computer, okay, that schedule a given task, okay, and a manage storage. Application of software designed for specific task, as we said above. Okay, also we have what to call defined terms operating system. Those are some definition you can understand and even memorize. Okay, we have iyo turi kuri internet tujya twita software licensing. Hari igihe kuri internet ufite kubona application ukayidownloadinga ariko gusaba license novuga ngo ukaba wayigura cyangwa se bakaguha igihe kiri limited. Ibyo rero kigihe baguhaye tubyita license, ubwo ubasha uhabwa gukoresha software yabo ariko mu gihe kizwe. Tugiye kwita trial version, ukaguha iminsi mike ukatrayinga, wasanga uyikunze ukaba wakongera ukagura. Okay, hari nizo tugira zidakenera kuba wagura trial, aho uyi downloadinga for free. Okay, tuzita freeware. freeware, those are software you can download for free and use them for free. An example, we can there is some softwares for banning, zigufasha kubaninga ariko downloading for free. Trialware ni izigihe gito, shareware, those software is distributed on try before you buy a basic with. Barakusharinga ukagakoresha then nyuma wabyishimira ukaba wabigura. We have also open source free software that makes it source code available. Vuga ngo bagusaba code kugira ngo zibe available. Okay. Another one is shortcut. Katwirebe noneho aka kabiri twita desktop and icon settings. Desktop urabize ko ari screen nyine ubona inyuma, aha niho twita kuri desktop ya computer. Okay. Kuri desktop rero twasanga ikifite kwasanga folder or file. File na akantu a single document. Iyo wanditse document ugahita uyandika izina ukayisavinga, iyo tuyita ko ari file. Folder ni igihe na assemble or it is a set of many file. Application twayibonye ko kuri desktop twasanga ama applications wamaze kuba downloaded, akagira icyo twita shortcut, akantu kwenza nga fresh kagaragara kuri application, ako naga shortcut cyangwa se no kwerekana ko yari application. Twagira icyo twita printers, drive. So drive tugira drive icyo twita local disk, kurako amwe tubika ibintu nyine. Gatatu ni output. So I know my steps. When you want to proceed an application, you can click start bottom, then Microsoft Office, then click that office, then it opens. No buryo bwo gufungura nyine iyo application ukeneye. Ujyaho ugakanda right click ukakubwira open, hanyuma ukayopening. Okay. How to open a file. Nyine ukanda kuri it's a click, or you can put it the cursor and then click right click, then click open, then you open it and then you read it. Okay. Then copy text within a document between an open document. So hano kutubwira ngo no gufungura document, tuvuge niba hari document wakoze kuri taskbar wayishyizaga na munsi, nukwijyaho nyine ukayikandaho ukayifungura nkuko bari kubwira. Hanyuma no kuyikopiya no gufungura ebyiri zitandukanye, ugakora select ibyo ukeneye ugapestinga aho ukeneye. So reka twihute twirebere icyo twita file management, how to manage your file. Okay. To understand how to operating system organize the drives, folder and the file. So one uriyo kumanaginga your file, tugita file management. Kuba wayimura ukayijyana ukavana kavuyo kuri desktop ukabisavinga muri folder imwe. Okay, as you see here. So noneho hari shortcut cyangwa se hari ama symbols akwereka ubwoko bwa document. So here you have executable documents, you have zip document. Nuvango ni igihe ushaka kohereza document nyinshi ukazifungira hamwe. Zip kuzirika, to zip ukazirikira hamwe ukazohereza ziri hamwe. So video irangwa na av.iv, hanyuma audio ikarangwa na mp3. Okay, so we have what to go image, we have GIF, also GPG, also BMP. Those are abbreviation or some signals that shows you it is the image. PDF ni document watwayita ko nayo wayiziritse kubera ko yari document kayigira PDF, nabwo data ziyirimo ziba stored. So it's a better when you are sending it to, for example, CV, you put it in a PDF so that your document cannot be untied. So we have also double PTX, ikwereka ko ari presentation. Yo dufite XRSX, ibikwereka ko ari spreadsheet. Docs ikwereka ko ari word processing. Okay, So ayo tubyita icyo twita file extension, abbreviation of the file, cyangwa se signals that can show the type of your kind of file. Aha rero nkuko mubireba no kumenya ngo ese niba nshaka gusortinga file ascending order descending order ndabigenzane. So ukora imyitozo nk'urakubwira ngo click view tab, select sort by, novuga ngo ubikora ufite computer yawe ugenda step by step ugenda wigana uko bari kukubwira. Then turebe hepfo ibindi byo no kugenda bikora nyine ukora practice. So let's us start about the networks. Networks. Let's also start about to compress a file or compress. To compress means to diminish in size. Sometimes you record or your file is big, so you want it to compress it to make it shorter. You select that file and then right click on it, then send it to, then also select what to call compressed or zipped folder, hanyuma ugahita uyigira ntoya nyine. To extract file, niba file rero yari compressed cyangwa yari zipped, niba yari zari ziziritse ari nyinshi, ufite no kongera ukazifungura ukazigira nyinshi cyangwa zikarikurana, byo tubyita to extract a compressed file. So right click on it, so then select extract files, then choose the location and click OK. You click where you want to extract it. Okay. Reka twirebeyo amasamo definition. Hejuru gato turebe definition, it is what we call firewall. Security device designed to protect a network against external threats. Okay. Firewall tubyita ko ari urukuta rugutandukanya n'amathreats cyangwa se ibintu bibi. Iyo turi gukorera kuri internet hari ama viruses yatwataka, ubwo kugira ngo atatwataka arindwa n'urukuta twita firewall. So firewall ni urukuta rw'umutekano ruturinda kugira ngo computer zacu zibe attacked by viruses. Okay, so ukamenya na importance nyine yarwo. So urumva ko ari nziza. So recognize the importance and regularly updating software like antiviruses. Ukamenya ibyiza byo updatinga antivirus yawe kuri computer yawe. So you have to update your viruses or antiviruses regularly. Kugira ngo nyine igibasha kudetectinga viruses. Update application and operating system. Buri operating system iba barayikoze kugira ngo ni ugiye kuri internet ibe updated. So ni byiza rero kuya-updatinga regularly. Reka tujye twita none icyo twita n'ubundi ko turi kwiga icyo twita network. Iyo dukora kuri network tubona kiriya firewall, tukabona malwares, viruses, worm, trojan and spyware. Ibi byose tubyita ko ari zimwe na viruses cyangwa se ni ibibi tubona kuri internet kidukoresha computer zacu. So how about call network concept? A network kugira ngo twese turayumva ko ari internet cyangwa se ari uku kwa accessinga data abandi bastorinze online. We have to call internet main users. Tumvanga bisa nk'ibyumvikana. Main users to provide access information via World Wide Web. Irya jambo bita www is World Wide Web. VoIP means it is conversational over internet protocol. Voice over internet protocol. So you Twitter VoIP. We have what to call VPN network used to connect remote users securely to a business network, share data and communicate. VPN network igufasha koherezanya amakuru ariko mu buryo bw'umutekano. Reka twirebe none icyo twita ama definition y'ututubo twa worm, Trojan, spywares, viruses and malwares. Udufata mu mutwe kugira ngo nyine nibajya guha definition ujye ubasha kukamenya akariko. So aha rero tugiye twita storage media, tukagiye twita internal hardware or internal hard disk, tukagira external hard disk, network drive turazize ko harimo tugiye twita one drive now and the drive ya Microsoft ni ya Google. Internal hard disk turayizi hamwe tubika ibintu kuri computer zacu. Tukagira external hard disk, tukagira CD, DVD, tukagira USB flash, tukagira ama flash. Tukaza rero katwirebere ku masize. Amasize tugiye kwita kilobyte, megabyte, gigabyte and terabyte. So zirutanwa rero inshuro 1024. Okay, so bishatse kuvuga rero ngo inini muri izi niyo twita terabyte. So cyangwa se kaduhere hano intoya ni kilobyte, hagakurikiraho megabyte, gigabyte, hakaza terabyte. So ubwo terabyte niyo nini, indi nini hagakurikiraho gigabyte, indi megabyte, kilobyte kaza ari ya nyuma. Okay, tujye ku kantu ka nyuma y'ukwita security well-being. Security well-being recognize how to create adequate length, create adequate character mix. Gatandatu niyo ya nyuma, security well-being. Security well-being ni uburyo ushobora kwiproteja uri kuri internet. Okay, don't share, recognize the good password policy. Like iyo uri gukora password hari ibintu ugomba kubuzi, ugomba creatinga strong password iri length cyangwa se ndende. Hanyuma how to make it with different characters, ukamixinga letters, numbers and some symbols. Okay, and even don't share your password. Okay, also change your password regularly. Kubera ko ari igihe abantu bashobora kuba bayimenya, ni byiza rero kuhindura password inshuro nyinshi. Okay, hanyuma rero iyo kuri nyine kuri internet icyo twita firewall twayibonye ko igufasha kurindira umutekano mu gihe ukoresha internet. Twebonye uburyo updatinga antivirus n'ama softwares muri computer. Twayibonye icyo twita malware. Malware is malicious software designed to install itself. N'ama application y'installa kuri computer yawe utayakozeho nta burenganzira yahaye. Ubwo urumva ko nayo tifata nkaho ari malware cyangwa se ari ibintu bibi cyane. Icyo twita viruses, instructive program that affect the computers. N'ama program bwayo yinstara cyangwa se akangiza umutekano cyangwa se akangiza ubusugire bwa computer yawe. Tugira icyo twita worm, self-replicating malwares that uses computers network to send copies to itself to other computers. No kuvuga ngo ako nayo bakora akaza agakopi ibintu byawe kabyiba muri computer akabishyira abandi mu gihe uri online. So ayo tuyita worms. Trojan, destructive program that masks the applications. Hari igihe uri kuri internet wajya kubona ukabona ikintu gifunze ibyo warebaga, wagikirikaho kigashaka guta kidownloading. Ikiro tukita ama trojan. Spyware, destructive program that masks malware that collects information to user browsers habits without their consent. Spyware umva ko ari ijambo spy, no kuvuga ngo na application abantu bakora akaba ari online, hanyuma nayo akaba yagutwara data, amakuru, agatwara amakuru yawe akaba yahereza abandi. So yuri kuri Facebook yijya kubona ukuntu gusabye ubucuti cyaguhaye icyo gifayiro, wagifungura kigafata amakuru y'ibyo wakoraga. So hari n'igihe uri gutayipinga rero, waba utayipinga ama password or credentials zawe, izo application cyangwa se izo spyware zikaba zatwara izo password zawe, ugasanga umuntu yakwibye amakuru kuri online, agutwara amakuru, ugasanga YouTube channel yawe bayigize yabo, ugasanga Facebook page barayikwibye kubera ko hari spyware, hari application yagutwaye credentials zawe. So ngayo nguko rero utundi kugira mudusoma ntabwo tugoye no kudufata umutwe. So iyi model rero isaba kuboroka, isaba gufata umutwe rwose, kubera ko nyine ubona ko harimo utuntu twinshi tw'ama definition. Hano hari akantu kavuga ngo identify importance of considering when selecting internet. Niba description ya internet ugiye kuba wagura, ugomba kumenya speed of uploading, speed nyine yo kwa uploading ibintu, download speeding or na speed yo kudownloadinga, na cost, n'igiciro nyine iyo internet yagutwara. So ngayo nguko rero, I can close here. I think other key points are understandable. You can read them where you need to practice yourself. You take a computer and then see some icons and see some steps here in this module, so that you can be able to succeed it. Thank you very much. Goodbye. Remember to do subscribe. Ukore subscribe kuri iyi channel kugira ngo nyine ubashe kubona andi ma video y'andi module. Thank you.